My channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, last week what we have seen that the crude is continuously on the downside since 2 weeks. But if you look at this particular week, what we have seen last week, it has made a high of around 83.19 and a low of around $79. Okay, and after that the second what we have seen, it has made a low of around $77.3. Okay, a swing is formed, and then from this particular week there is a continuous upside, and chances are very high because there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and this is a pattern from 2-3 months, and chances will be high it will go towards $83.19 to a level of around 83.5, which is already being tested, and there is a higher chances of this. Okay, now if the price move above that particular level, chances are high that it will cross a level of around 85, and then a further upside we can see. Okay, so this is a particular pattern, and we have seen a range since November of 22. Keep that in mind. As soon as it started moving above a level of $85, chances will be high that it will go further upside, and if it sustain above 85.5, a more further upside we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high, yes, it will sustain and it will cross a level of around $83.19. Okay, chances are very high on the weekly basis chart, and from there it will cross a level of around $83.78. As soon as it started sustaining over $83.78, we will see it will cross a level of around $84.8. Okay, and from there it will go and hit a particular half, this particular zone, 85.3. Keep that in mind, 85.3, this is a half this zone. So as soon as started hitting this particular zone, we will see it will cross that particular level, and chances of touching a level of 85.5 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above this level, we can see it will cross that particular zone, and chances of touching a level of around 87.21 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above 87.21, we will see it will cross that particular zone, and a probability of moving upside, and we can see it will cross a level of around $89.2. From there, a probability of going towards 90.32. Okay, so once the price sustain above 90.32, we can see it will touch a level of around $94, because all these levels are being tested. Keep that in mind, that when there is a range breakout happens, a probability of upside or downfall we can see, and chances are very high it will go further high. Okay, as soon as started moving upside above $94, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now, as I've already explained you, that market is always uncertain. If you are thinking it will go as per you, no, it will not. I keep repeating this in my every video, and you have to keep it in mind and make a note of it in your mind, that market is uncertain. You have to set your SL, keep a rule in this, and always trail your SL. Suppose if you are in even $100 profit, okay, that can be 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, all these, always remember to trail your SL, and always set a rule of 70 or 75%, so that if your profit comes down to 70%, exit the trades, whether it will go 5,000% up or down. You have to remember, always save your profit. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market is uncertain. If you are thinking why I'm not telling you the upside or downside, I've already told the upside, that there is a higher chances of going upside. This is my view, but I always have to tell you that if the market don't wish or didn't turn out to be what we have expected, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards a level of $82. This will be your support if the price move over this level. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, we will see it will go towards a level of around $80.8, and if the price fall below this level, we will see it will go towards a level of around $79.7. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we will see it will go further down, and we can see it will touch a level of around $79.17, and from there it will cross that particular level, we will see it will touch a level of around $78.17. If the price fall below that particular level, chances are very high it will go towards a level of $77.54, and from there a probability of moving further down we can see, and chances of going towards a level of 76.54. After crossing a level of 77.54, we will see a level of 76.5, and from there we can see it will touch a level of 75.16. okay, there is higher chances as soon as it move below a level of 77.46, and then we can see it will touch a level of $75.16 to a level of 72.62, and from there we can see it will touch a level of 70.9. okay, if the price fall below this level, it will cross a level of around $68. As soon as it moves below a level of $68, a further fall we can see. Keep that in mind. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Our mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.